at booth 2412 and I am bringing to you Brazilian knots, hair extensions.
Let me tell you a short story. I started as a shampoo tech. Long hours, small tips, big dreams. But I wasn't just washing hair. I was watching, learning, pushing myself beyond what was expected. Success didn't happen by chance. I was relentless. I failed. I adapted. I kept going. And now I'm here, not just as a stylist, but as a leader, bringing something new to the industry. From shampoo tech to cutting ribbons at one of the biggest beauty shows in the world. This is not coincidence. This is faith, courage, and hard work. If you're waiting to feel ready, don't. Just move. I showed up, and now I'm opening doors for others.